Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you sitting in anywhere outside the US and Canada but want to earn real US dollars from home? Today, I'm revealing exactly how thousands of people are making $3,000 to $10,000 plus per month online through truck dispatching for American and Canadian trucking companies. No CDL needed, no heavy investment, just a laptop, good internet, and the right steps. This is a complete beginner-friendly, step-by-step guide. If you follow it, you can start earning in weeks. Let's dive in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. First, what exactly is truck dispatching? A truck dispatcher is the brawn behind the wheel. You work remotely from home and help trucking companies or owner-operators find loads, freight, negotiate rates, book jobs, track drivers in real time, handle paperwork, and keep everything running smoothly. You coordinate between shippers, brokers, and drivers using load boards like DAT Truckstop. It's 100% online work, perfect for Pakistan or any country with stable internet. Companies in the US and Canada pay in dollars because the trucking industry there is massive, over $800 billion in the US alone. Why focus on US and Canada? High demand, high pay. As an employee dispatcher, you can earn $40,000 minus $65,000 per year remotely. As an independent dispatcher, your own business, you charge 5 to 8% of each truck's weekly revenue. One truck making $6,000, $8,000 per week in gross revenue can pay you $300 minus $600 per week. Dispatch 5 to 8 trucks and you're looking at $5,000 minus $10,000 plus monthly. Many people from Pakistan and India are already doing this successfully. But remember, success needs training and consistency. Step 1. Learn the skills, don't skip this. No experience? No problem. Enroll in an affordable online truck dispatcher course. Great options include Udemy's Truck Dispatch Training for Beginners under $100, or specialized programs from Huntload, Truckadium, or free YouTube series like Freight Dispatching from Home. In 2 to 6 weeks you'll learn trucking terminology, how to find and book loads, negotiating rates, FMCSA regulations, US and Canadian rules, safety compliance, and software. Practice with demo load boards. Get a certificate, it helps when applying for jobs or clients. Cost: $50, $500. Time: 20 to 40 hours. Step 2. Build your workspace. You need a reliable laptop or PC, Windows preferred. Super fast internet, at least 20 to 50 Mbps, test it. Good headset with mic for clear English calls. Quiet space. Tools like Google Maps, Excel for tracking, and a second phone number. Use apps like Google Voice or Text Now if needed. Total startup cost: under $300 if you already have a laptop. Work US time zones, night shifts in Pakistan are common. Step 3. Learn the tools and land clients' jobs. Subscribe to top load boards DAT and Truckstop. Carriers often provide access. Learn TMS software. 2 paths. A. Apply for remote dispatcher jobs on Indeed, LinkedIn, or trucking Facebook groups. Search remote truck dispatcher. Many companies hire internationally. B. Start independent. Create a simple website or LinkedIn profile, then reach out to owner-operators on Facebook groups, load boards, or forums. Offer to dispatch for 5 to 7% commission. Start with 1 to 2 trucks and scale up. Build a portfolio, practice with fake loads and record your process. Step 4. Run the business daily. Wake up, check load boards, match loads to drivers, negotiate, send rate confirmations, track GPS, handle issues. Update carriers on status. Get paid. Use PayPal, Wise, or direct bank transfer. For independent work, sign simple contracts. Important note: as of April 2026, it's still legal for many US-Canada carriers to work with international dispatchers. But watch, Delilah's Law, a bill moving through US Congress that could restrict foreign dispatch services in the future. Always stay updated and consider working as a contractor. Pro tips for success. Speak clear, professional English. Be reliable. Drivers and carriers trust you with thousands of dollars. Start small, learn from mistakes. Join Facebook groups like Truck Dispatchers or Freight Brokers. Avoid scams, never pay up front for guaranteed jobs. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step guide to earning online dollars from truck dispatching in the US and Canada. Start with training today, set up your office, and take action. If this video helped, hit like, comment, dispatch, below, and share with friends. Check the description for best courses and tools. Next video, my exact daily routine as a dispatcher. See you there, go make that money.